Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making our own little radio station using this transmitter. Oh, that's a spicy pillow in there. Using this radio and using my old Palm Pilot to transmit. So we have a little FM radio, a Creative Zen over here. Okay, so there's our transmitter, 87.5. We're going to flip this to FM radio. So this is at 87.7. This is at 87.7. And our little aux extension cable. And then start playing some music. So you can hear that from this. And if you see, if I disconnect it, there's no more signal, no more song. And the best part about this, you can select any station you want. And this is transmittable between 30 to 100 feet, depending on your line of sight. And that's how you make your own little pirate radio station. Only for your home, though, so you can have everyone play Christmas music and have fun with everybody. Or you can have your own localized music system if you don't have internet. You got some battery power, but just make sure you get some reliable ones that have good battery power, or get a battery pack and hook it up to that, and there you go. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Don't forget to like and subscribe.